It's literally a bonfire night. The fire's going. Why is it red on the camera? Shall I light it on there? Okay. Light this baby. Sorry.
I think you'd be better off lighting it out the bloody fire. Put it on the fire
It's
then.
because he's shaking. Are you recording now?
Yeah. Oh God.
Oh, Dad, Jacob.
Oh God. Big firework.
That's a good one, wasn't it?
Yeah. That was a big one. Plan.
What was that?
Gonna be another one.
You joining in?
Oh, it's getting really close to my fingers. I think I should throw it.
Go on then, throw it. Just throw it.
Oh, yay. I can probably use that again. Skibbity.
Oh, he's writing another one.
Yeah.
Come on,
That
Dad.
looks like a big one.
It does.
What do you mean the thing's broken? No, this is cool.
Ready?
Yep. Oh, it's getting lighted.
Now you're going to put it upright, Dad.
Quickly run.
Oh. I don't think that was meant to do that.
It's not bad, I got direct where it's going, can I?
Oh.
Let's do some box ones.
I think those were. I think we should do some colourful ones, like, because they're almost World War III. That neighbours. Thing.
You
No.
still recording?
Yeah. That fire looks lovely.
Do you want another sparkler? They're just there. Look.
Yes, please. When is Dad gonna light it?
I'll let you know then.
Okay. Oh, a little bit of fire came on the
It
ground.
didn't shoot up quick enough, did it? It stayed around. I thought it was going to go. Did you?
No, that literal, like, that's like Russia sending a nuke to China.
Yeah, but turning around is not going to do much, is it?
Oh, hopefully these ones are colourful. Oh, Jesus, that is a lot of smoke.
Don't do it yet, Drew.
Oh, bro, look at that spark in the air. Oh, tons of sparks. Oh, got it. Oh, never mind. Don't got it.
Doesn't want to start, does it? There we go.
Yay! Bibbity boppity boo! Oh, you can see the ones over there. Like the fireworks over there. Don't start them now. Dad, don't start them now. Don't start them. Oh, look at those. I really like sparkles. Gotta put. Trying to light this plant. Bacon pancakes, bacon pancakes. Bacon pancakes, bacon pancakes. Bacon pancakes, bacon pancakes. Bacon pancakes, that's what I wanna be. Bacon pancakes. Bacon pancakes, that's what I wanna be. Bacon pancakes. I'm gonna put this here, try and cook some pancakes. Oh, I think I actually done it there. I'm definitely cooking it. Oh, that's a lot of. Definitely cooking the plant. Oh.
Right, it's behind the things as well. Right?
Yep.
Yeah. So we can run in here.
Yeah.
Oh, look at them over there.
Oh, it literally looks like lightning.
You know?
It's crazy how much fireworks go off there. Run! Oh God! Oh God! Oh my gosh!
Wow.
That one.
Huh?
That one. That was dramatic. Can I quickly have another sparkler?
Hold off, Dad, while you're prepping. That was a thingy one, wasn't it?
Yeah. That one was pretty loud. It was loud, but oh, that's a Big Randy. We named that one Big Randy.
Doing another rocket. Oh wait, Jacob's not doing it yet. Yeah, Claire.
Okay.
Let's do it till this is finished.
I'm really sensitive to fireworks. I'm gonna cook some more pancakes. Bacon pancakes, that's what it wanna be. Bacon pancakes.
They've done it yet. Wait till we finish the thing.
Bacon pancakes, that's what it wanna be. Bacon pancakes. Bacon pancakes, that's what it wanna be. Bacon pancakes. Trying to catch it on fire. I don't think it's working. No. How's it not lighting on fire? Is it? You need a dry one. Oh, God. Whoa. Oh my! Oh my.
That's a good one.
That was some good ones. Ow. Something hit me
Whereabouts?
on my head.
That was me.
Oh. Oh,
Come inside.
quickly. Cover. Ah. Whoa.
Ooh,
That one was
that
nice.
was a big one. We're all good.
That was lovely. No, then it turned blue. That was good. That was lovely, lovely. Oh, you can see over there the fireworks. I know if you guys can't see it, but I can. Whoa. Dun 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 dun. Oh God.
Well, what you going for, Dad?
Huh?
Which one are you going for? The rocket?
You might be going for a tiny one, like goes.
Maybe. He's trying to do a tour. I think that's silly. Andy.
Oh my god.
What was that?
Something on the top of here. Andy.
Why are you hiding there, guys? It's not fair.
Did it fell on top? Didn't
Ah,
it?
still a bit of...
Yeah. Dad,
Yeah?
can you not do a few for a few minutes?
Yeah.
Okay. Gonna play with some more sparklers.
Something fell on top.
Yeah, something did. Like on that roof, there was literal it must be the ashes. Can I light it? Yeah.
This one's called Rack's Destruction.
Yeah.
Well done.
At the very end. Keep it in the flame. Breathe.
Yay!
You'll make up and there'll be a rocket in the hot tub.
That'll be on the gas.
I'm just cooking some pancakes, cooking some vegetables. Oh god. Yep. They've gone back away from that. Baking pancakes, that's what it wanna be.
Can't control it, can you?
I'm melting melting. If one of those sparks can get on. For one, never use a sparkler to try and light a plant because it really doesn't work. Oh jeez! Louise! Well, I can catch these hairs on fire. I mean, those are my dog's hairs, but... Oh, I actually might be able to do that. Oh, I catch flame! Yay! Got flame! I got flame! I got flame, look!
Hey.
Oh. But I can light that again, I think. Okay. Look at that little flame I made! Yeah? Quickly.
Stand outside. Look, it's not a rocket, it's behind the screen.
Yeah, we're watching it. Check it from here.
Yeah.
Trying to go from that light.
Oh god.
Rack's Destruction.
Oh, they're pretty.
Oh yeah. Those are low. I like those ones.
Yeah.
Wow.
How's that on?
Yeah.
That was lovely. I like colourful ones. Now the fire's going toasty woasty. Oh, my flame went out. Where are those coming from? That's my forehead. Oh, that's a little bit too dark. my gosh, it just got way more darker than it is.
Oh, they're going off all over.
Did they fall over?
No, I said they're going off all over.
Oh yeah.
You set 2 off.
Yeah.
Hey.
They're alright, man.
Oh, you tripped.
Hey, what
I'm gonna put a sparkling try and light that flame again.
That was the last battery on your phone.
Is there only... Is that not the sparklers?
Yeah, there's only 4 in a pack.
Oh, there should be 5.
You're gonna be used 5.
You hear all the ash dropping on this roof.
Huh?
The ash.
It's crazy. Emergency alert! Emergency alert! Wee wee wee. Here goes another one. Oh, that's big. Oh, there's 2 more fireworks to go.
Yeah.
He's just lighting them now. Hiding behind that. What was that?
Huh?
Were you putting something together
Oh,
there?
closer.
No.
Or just a firework landed on the roof?
No, it's just a thing here.
Oh. Too goody. Andy, move your face.
Oh, those ones there. Oh, ooh. That's way nice. Whoa.
Look at that.
That's
Woo!
good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is that them all?
No, it's 2 more.
Ah.
We're going to put them together, or
What do you want me to do? Singles or together?
yeah, single. Well, guys, I hope you liked that. We're going to do one more, and then the video is going to end for bonfire night. Wait, I'm going to put it like more darker to see how that looks.
That's more later.
Oh, yeah.
Falcon's Rise.
Okay. Yeah, that's supposed to be scary. Oh my gosh, I'm terrified. Oh my gosh, it's a dinosaur.
No, it's silly.
Oh, nah, I swear if you've done that, I'll never forgive you. Hamburger.
Oh, someone's alarm's going off. Someone's fire alarm's going off.
News?
Dunno.
Da, 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 da. Here we go.